guys, now we are going to learn the new topic, that is selection of V-belt from manufacturing catalog. For this we are going to see that how we are going to select the V-belt from manufacturing catalog. It's really different and needs so many tables to understand. We know that some things are needed to select anything. First, in V-belt we needed driving unit, driven machine, operation hours, power to be transmitted, input and output speed, center distance and space availability, all these things. So based on that we are going to see. Let's see how the procedure started. So before starting the process, I have shown here some graph, that is the section. So V-belt is divided in these 5 sections. Let's see that first we need to find out the correction factor, and it is depend on the table, and that table is at 13.15. Let's see, this is the table. Here in this table you can see the service, it is light duty, medium, heavy or extra duty. The type of driven machine, it is blower, belt, conveyor, belt, bucket, elevator or crush mill, etc. And type of motor, that is AC motor, DC motor. Even in AC, that is normal torque, high torque, DC motor, shunt bound or DC motor series and compound. Based on that the hour is defined, that is 0, 10, 10 to 16, 16 24, and based on that we are going to select these values. So if suppose in the application centrifugal pumps are there and it is going to be run for 10 to 16 hours for normal torque AC motor, then we are going to select 1.1 value. Okay. So based on that these things are derived. Now we are going to find out the design power. Design power, this graph is used for design power. First we need to find out the correction factor, and after that design power. Design power is equal to what? FA into transmitted power. So this value we get, if suppose the value is 10, then an RPM is 1000, then we get at this point. The graph shows that this is the point of contact for these two values. So it is a section B. So belt section is B now. So whatever we are going to select, we are going to select for the section B. So section B is the values. Now we are going to find out the smaller end pitch circle diameter of smaller pulley from tables given below. This is the tables. You can see that sections are there and the values are there, and even the capital D small t can be calculated with the help of this equation. Now when we get the values, we are going to check these values with the standard tables also. This is the tables also. These are the other values which we get at pitch, but for diameters we get these tables. Okay, this is the table. This table will help us to find out the values. Now the length of belt. Length of belt is calculated with the help of this equation. Okay, but here the length of V belt is constant, that is the standard part. It is not as per our need. So standard value is going to taken with the help of a table, and that is 13.14. So this is a table. If suppose B section we have seen, and 1000 value we get, so 1000 is the value. But here L can become 950, 960 like this, but the nearest value which we get it, that the next value, that is 1000. So based on this the center distance will get changed. So again we need to find out the center distance, the new center distance. So here L value will be put it and the C value will be unknown. Calculate this value with the help of quadratic equation. After getting the C and L, we need to find out the correction factor for belt pitch length. Belt pitch length. Okay, so belt pitch length is here. This is the belt pitch length. This is the correction factor. Section B and cross section of belt 1000. So 0.83 will be the value. After getting this FC value, we are going to find out the arc of contact. So alpha S we are going to find out based on this. Alpha S we find out, then correction factor for arc of contact is shown in this table. For this we need this value also, capital D minus small d by 2c, and the arc of contact value. If suppose arc of contact is 180 and this 0.00, then the correction factor will be 1. So now we have FC and all these things. Next thing is what? Power rating. Power rating can be taken with the help of this table. It's a very big table. I have shown only one part of this table. As we have seen that suppose pulley diameter is 500 mm and RPM is 500 mm, then it is showing 24. So this will be the power rating for this. when we get the power rating, definitely we are going to check the last step in the selection is to get all this value in one place, that is PR, FD, FR and COs, all these things. So P into FA divided by PR into FC into FD, that is FA we have already taken from the table from in the first step, and in the last step we have taken PR. This is PR, that is the power rating, and by putting all the values in this equation you will get the number of belt, how much number of belt we needed for this. So this is how we are going to select the V belt. Okay, just see this video 2-3 times, you will understand all these things. Thank you.